faith in yourself is what matters first and foremost. You see, there's that little scripture, right? That says, how can you love God whom you have not seen, but hate your brother whom you have seen? How can you have faith in something you've not encountered? But the thing you encounter every single day, which is you have no faith in. So you have to start by having faith in yourself. But what? It's not just something you throw around willy-nilly. The faith in yourself comes from the knowledge that you learn something and you can do it. You can repeat it. You can do it. So you see, when people are the way the rest of the world teaches manifestation, as if is this thing you have to believe in, you have to have faith in manifestation. No, you don't. Because you exist, you have to manifest.